If you want to factory reset your Samsung F70 Pro, don't reset it just yet. In this video, I'll show you 2 different ways to completely reset your phone using the settings menu and using the physical buttons. The first method is the easiest and is perfect if you can still access your phone normally. But what if you forgot your screen lock, the phone is frozen, or you simply can't open the settings? That's exactly why you should watch until the end, because the second method works through the buttons and can help when you can't use the normal reset option. I'll show you every step clearly, including what you need to do before the reset and how to start the factory reset correctly. Important: a factory reset will erase your personal data, apps, photos, accounts, and other information stored on the phone. So if you still have access to your Samsung F70 Pro, make sure to back up anything important first.